Alright guys, we're back with another G-Body. 1986 Cutlass Salon with T-tops. The last G-Body I reviewed was the Cutlass Calais. That was the top of the line Oldsmobile until 85. The Salon took its place. This one has a 350 cubic inch 5.7 liter V8 backed by a 4-speed automatic. Frame and floor pans are solid. Lower doors are solid. She can use paint. Interior is in good condition. And one day I have to have me a 1986 Cutlass Salon. That's actually the first review I did on Roller Museum's channel. And it's actually how I met Ed and got this job. If I go all the way back, it's a burgundy 1986 Cutlass Salon. She was absolutely beautiful. This one has great potential. Check out those T-top channels. Driver's side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. Checking out the jambs in the lower doors. Deck lid. Trunk nice and clean. Interior's in good condition. She got power windows, power locks, rally gauges, bucket seats, console. Let's check out the dash. Mileage reads a little over 31,000. Upper dash. Lower. She has a 350 cubic inch, 5.7 liter V8 backed by a 4-speed automatic. She got power brakes, power steering, AC. I try to show y'all the engine number on the shelf right here. It's 39558 if y'all want to look it up. 68 through 74, 350. Let's start her up. Make sure y'all go and visit rollingmuseums.com. We got over 100 detailed photos. We have financing available. All the contact information is going to be in the description below. Thank y'all for watching and y'all have a good one.